guys, it is a Tasty Tuesday.
Yay!
I love it. Mary and Keim from Max Meals. Today we're going to put together a super simple chicken, bacon, ranch casserole.
Yay! You got it.
Oh, very easy to make, very cost effective, and tastes, according to her husband and son, amazing.
Amazing.
Here's what you need, guys. It's simple. Chicken, bacon, because that's part of the name, right? Pasta, ranch, some cheese, some cream of chicken, some cheddar cheese, some seasoning, and a little bit of milk or half and half. We're going to do kind of a quasi-Alfredo kind of
We are.
thing.
Yes, we are.
Now, guys, I know sometimes we use some pre-cooked chicken, and that can help speed up the whole recipe.
It really can.
You got the kids saying, I want dinner!
Yeah.
In this case, we're going to go ahead and use some fresh chicken. What are we using
We
here?
are. So we're using an organic chicken breast. You can get this from Fresh Market, wherever. You can even get it from Kroger. The difference is it has no steroids, no hormones, no preservatives in it, and it's just really good for you.
I don't like any veins in my chicken.
Oh, no.
I like to cut everything away. So we're going to go ahead and just make this a little smaller, cut it up a little bit into pieces. This way, when you get into your casserole, it's already not pre-chewed, but pre-cut for you.
Let's hope it's not pre-chewed.
All right, so we've already brought water to a boil in the pot, so we're going to take the entire package of noodles, macaroni as it were. In this case, we're going to use bow tie, but you can really use anything you want to. We'll dump that in there, and I've already pre-salted the water and put a little bit of olive oil in there so the pasta doesn't stick together.
So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil. We'll let that just kind of simmer for a second, and then we'll add our chicken in.
Then we'll go ahead and add in 1 packet of ranch. We've got a couple. We're going to make this really ranchy.
Really ranchy.
So we're going to add that in just like that. All right, well, Marianne has got the chicken cooking. We're going to go ahead and get the bacon ready. Now, we're going to use this pre-cooked, pre-made bacon. This makes it a lot easier. It cuts down on the cooking time. Although it's pre-cooked and you can go ahead and just eat it like it is, I still like to put it in the microwave for just a couple of minutes to heat it up a little bit. And this thing is great. You can just use the microwave, and this will let the grease drop down into the bottom, and so your bacon actually is a lot healthier for you. I mean, let's face it, bacon isn't the most necessarily artery-friendly food in the world.
It's not, but it sure is good.
All right, so we're going to throw that in for about a minute or so. Boom. All right, the bacon is all ready. Now, again, it's already been cooked, but it looks so good once you give it just a little extra cooking, and it's done. So here's where we are. We've got the bacon already done. The chicken is a couple of minutes out. We've got the pasta boiling away. Then we've really got to put the whole casserole thing together. We're going to create, well, kind of a faux, just a faux sauce for it. It's going to be tasty. It's going to be ranchy with bacon and chicken. It's a Tasty Tuesday. Directions at abccolumbia.com. Stay close. We're coming back. Maybe just a little piece.
Nope.
All right, guys, continuing a Tasty Tuesday, a chicken bacon ranch casserole.
Yes.
Marianne from Max Meals. All right, we've got the chicken ready to go. The pasta's done. We've got to go ahead and make the kind of pseudo homemade Alfredo sauce.
Quick and easy. So we're going to take our can of cream of chicken soup. We're just going to pour this in the bowl, and we're going to add the ranch. Now we're going to add our cheddar cheese soup. So we're going to add a little bit of cream. Now this is half and half.
This is going to be creamy, yummy goodness with cheese and bacon.
Yeah. Does it get any better?
We're going to go ahead and add our cheese in. This is a mix of Colby Jack and cheddar. Of course, a little more ranch.
A little more, yes.
Can you go wrong with ranch?
You cannot. This is such a good recipe. It's so savory and delicious, you don't really need to add any extra spices to it.
All right, so we get that in. We're just going to go ahead and whisk this up real good.
Look at how good that looks. Oh my goodness. And look at how flavorful that is. And we can take a couple strips of the bacon, maybe half of what we have there, chop it up, pinch it out, whatever, and then just put it in there in your mixture.
So what we're going to do, we've strained the pasta out. We're going to go ahead and put this into here, and then we're going to mix this yummy goodness in with that.
And this will cook fairly quickly. I would say 20-30 minutes on 375, just until it's bubbling and the cheese is done on top. Then you can just go ahead and pour it into your casserole dish.
That looks good.
You want to go ahead and add that cheese on top?
This is not for the lactose intolerant.
It is not. And then we're going to take the rest of that bacon, we're going to crumble it on top.
That's how it's quality control. Quality control. All right, so the cooking hole is preset for 375.
It is.
We're going to put it in for 30 minutes, and this thing is going to be ready for our bellies. Echo, set the timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, starting now.
That's really quite nice. I guess it's time. Let's hit the cooking hole. So we want to let this set up and kind of rest for about 10 minutes probably.
Yeah. Look at that.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
All right, so it comes down to this, the chicken bacon ranch casserole.
Yes.
Takes about 45 minutes to make, but does it taste good? That is hot but delicious. Mm-hmm. Directions at abccolumbia.com. This is a Tasty Tuesday. Make sure you log on and get some new ideas. If you have some ideas, let us know. We'd love to cook for you as well. Mary and Keim from Max Meals. We always say this, bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Yum.
Is yours?